Hello, welcome to the video for Harkirat course update. So starting with week 2, he took a deep dive in Express, creating APIs for different routes for push, post, put, get and delete. Then he taught different types of request and responses. Then he showed how to authorize the APIs using JWT. Then he created just the backend for to-do list app and tried to hit the API routes with help of Postman. Then he also gave us an assignment to create a to-do list app to store the data in files and also fetch from it. So moving on to week 3, he cleared all the doubts regarding the week 2 backend assignments, so nobody is left behind. Then he started with the front-end basics of HTML and CSS and JavaScript DOM elements. Then he introduced Reconciler, which was an advanced topic. Even Harkirat himself was not comfortable with this topic when he was a beginner, that what he mentioned. But with time he mastered this topic. So it's fine if you're a beginner and you struggle with this topic for reconcilers. And with time, if you just practice this topic, then you can master it. Then he created an offline video to introduce MongoDB and ultimately store data for to-do list app in MongoDB database. Then he provided us an assignment, which was to create a backend for the course selling app with separate route for user and admin. So what does he mean by this is that suppose if someone want to just store data or create a video in his course selling app, then only admin is allowed to do those activities. Only admin can store the videos. Then in week 4, he introduced React with help of White. Then introduced lifecycle hooks such as use effects, use state. And he also taught how to integrate MUI Bootstrap to make our website more responsive and look more professional. Then he provided an assignment to create a front end of to-do app and course selling app. Then in week 5, he completed the assignments which were given in week 4, so no one is left behind. And then he took an extra class to use Axios to hit API rather than using Fetch API. Finally, week 6 was a pause for beginner students, so they can revise all the topics which are taught so far. And meanwhile, for the advanced students, he taught how to create a Google Meet clone using WebRTC. That's all about the update of the course so far. My opinion so far is that all this content, what Harkirat is teaching, is already present on the YouTube for free. But if you are a beginner who has a limited knowledge of software development and wants to transition themselves to a more advanced software developer, or you are a office-going person who lacks time to browse all the best content on the internet, then it's good to have a mentor like Harkirat who will guide you to the step-by-step to become a better software engineer. And also he does have his own Discord server where he have designated TAs who can help you to clear all the assignments which are provided by him. And if you are planning to buy this course, then recording for all his previous videos and lectures are available for a year. And I think that this course will carry on for around 2-3 months. That's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.